Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Winter is Here by Deborah Schecter. Winter is here, sleep bears sleep. Winter is here, sleep bears sleep. Winter is here, sleep snake sleep. Winter is here, sleep snake sleep. Winter is here, sleep chipmunk sleep. Winter is here, sleep chipmunk sleep. Winter is here, sleep frog sleep. Winter is here, sleep frog sleep. Winter is here, sleep turtle sleep. Winter is here, sleep turtle sleep. Winter is here, sleep groundhog sleep. Winter is here, sleep groundhog sleep. Spring is here, time to wake up. Spring is here, time to wake up.